Hi, I'm Rania Salatas. I'm an associate in the WorkCover department of Zaparas Lawyers. I've been working at Zaparas Lawyers since 2014. Coming from a migrant background, I've always wanted to be able to give people a voice, especially people who cannot speak for themselves. Combining this with my love for language, I realised that law would be a career path that would allow me to assist people in a meaningful way. Working in the WorkCover department of Zaparas Lawyers, I assist injured workers who have suffered a physical or a psychological injury to pursue their entitlements to weekly payments, medical expenses, and lump sum compensation. I chose to apply for Zaparas Lawyers because they had a good reputation for being a caring firm that took on a range of matters regardless of size or complexity. The thing I enjoy most about my work is the personal aspect of meeting and getting to know my clients while assisting them with pursuing their legal entitlements. I like that I get to work with so many different people on a day-to-day basis. Every matter is unique and everybody I meet has a story to tell. Clients always ask me what to wear when going to court, and I always tell them as long as they are comfortable. There is no need to wear a business suit as long as they are dressed neatly. If you don't hear or understand the question that is being asked in court when giving evidence, you should always ask for it to be repeated or explained. It's better to say I don't understand than to provide a response to a question you think you understood. If English is your second language and you prefer to speak with an interpreter when going to court, you should let your lawyer know as soon as possible so they can arrange for an interpreter to be present on the day of your court hearing. Medical practitioners should bring their clinical records with them when going to court to give evidence. Medical practitioners should familiarise themselves with their notes, records and reports before attending court, although it is not necessary to memorise everything. A subpoena is a court order which compels you to either attend court to provide evidence or produce documents which will be used as evidence in a court hearing. The request for a subpoena will list the types of documents that need to be provided to the court. If a subpoena for documents is requested, it is important to provide those documents directly to the court and not to the party requesting those documents. If you receive a subpoena, you must comply with the request, otherwise you may be found to be in contempt of court and the court may issue a warrant. If you have reasons to object to the subpoena, you can write to the court listing your grounds for the objection. Patients whose medical records are produced can also object to the subpoena being made. It may be helpful to discuss your concerns regarding the objection of a subpoena with your patient's lawyer or your professional association. Lawyers have an obligation to the court to ensure that their witnesses are available on the day of the court hearing, and that is why they will sometimes issue subpoenas. Failure to ensure the availability of their witnesses in court might result in consequences for the lawyer or their client. This is why medical professionals might still be required to attend court even if they have provided clinical records and reports. Sometimes they are required to expand on or to confirm any matters that are raised in their records or reports.